How to take multiple photos with the timer on your iPhone. Let's jump right into the steps. First, you want to go ahead and open camera on your phone. Here in the bottom right corner, you can see camera-like option with rotating sign. So this is the option to rotate the camera from back to front. For taking multiple photos, you have to make sure that live mode is turned off. Then you want to tap on the clock-like icon just beside live photo. Just want to go ahead and tap on it, and that is a timer option which is used to delay clicking pictures. When you keep it to 3 seconds or 10 seconds, multiple photos will be taken automatically. For example, we're keeping it at 3 seconds. Now when I click on the shutter button, it will automatically take multiple pictures at the same time. Now when you go ahead and tap on the picture, you see here, you can see there are 10 photos that has been taken. You can select them by tapping on select in the bottom and then choose whichever is favorable. Then tap on the circle option in the bottom right corner and tap on done. You can keep everything or keep just 1 or 2 that is selected. And that is how you can take multiple photos with a timer on your iPhone. Thank you so much for watching till the end.